When we look at the world around us, what on the surface appears simple often isn't. What seems straightforward can have many layers. From the beginning, we have tried to understand our world in terms of what's where. But now that we can see more, sense more, track more than ever before, we have a new, powerful way to find patterns, cause and effect, taming complexity, creating clarity. Clarity about where, but also about when, who, how much, and what to do about it. Clarity to make decisions that can mean the difference between profit and loss, peace and conflict, life and death. We find answers when we look at the world through the lens of where. With over 70,000 clients across Europe, Esri is leading the location intelligence revolution. Because at Esri, we have location down to a science. The science of where.